To replace the chain, you'll need a number 5 Allen wrench, number 12 wrench, and number 14 wrench. First, remove the chain cover to expose the chain inside. Loosen the installation bolts of the rear wheel, but do not remove them completely. Loosen the bolts on both sides of the rear wheel and begin adjusting the chain. Use a hammer or the handle of a screwdriver to tap around the rear axle to tighten the chain. Rotate the chain to ensure it is neither too loose nor too tight, and keep the chain centered on the sprocket, leaving some slack on both sides. Tighten the bolts on the rear wheel and reinstall the chain cover.